Yo, what up, Street Talks there, Kim? Alright, so my thought. The thought is this: all perspectives are good and equally legitimate, and the more you can share your perspective with others, the better. So the big problem a lot of people have is, oh, you know, my perspective, my thoughts, my worth is not interesting, I'm boring, or I'm not legitimate, or I'm not an expert, or I'm not, you know, X, Y, and Z. I didn't go to art school, I didn't do none of that. I don't have the credentials or the legitimacy to do something. So this is all silly. The word legitimacy means law. Ain't nobody need to give you a law. No one needs to nut you on the shoulder to do none you want to do or don't want to do. And you can give yourself the legitimacy. You do yourself because it's fun to you. It's kind of interesting to you. And I really do find that the more playful you are, the less seriously you take yourself, kind of the better. And you know, the best way to be creative, innovative, fun, kind of be like a kid, kind of play around with it, fuck around with it. And remember, if you're having fun, most likely others will too.